there, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm super excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to make a hair balm dupe. But before we get into this hair balm, guys, I want to let you know that every recipe, listen, all of the things on my channel, guys always asking me what are the measurements. It will be linked in my description box in the Patreon. The Patreon is full of candle making recipes, skincare recipes, you name it, everything is there, okay? You will not be disappointed. In there, you'll learn how to make candles. We have live classes, guys, like every Friday we meet up. Every Friday we hang out. We talk about vendors. We talk about everything that you probably will not find in a Facebook group, okay? Exclusive things, okay? Anyway, listen, y'all. Let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. So online, guys, I was doing a little research and I found this company. And I seen that they sold something called Hair Balm. Now the hair balm is currently blowing up on TikTok. I seen people promoting it and I was like, do I want to buy it? Do I want to buy their version or do I want to make my own? So I went ahead and put a recipe together for you guys. It's really good, really nice. And we're going to make it today. You can see I've been using it. It's really good, really nice. I love the way it feels. I've been actually using it in my hair and in my baby's hair. So if you guys are excited as I am, let's go ahead and get right into it.
Alright guys, go ahead and grab you a heat-proof container. In this glass right here, I have beeswax. Guys, let me tell you what each ingredient will do for your hair. Okay, this is mango butter, but beeswax create a breathable seal that locks in moisture. Mango butter is a lightweight butter that softens without heaviness. It improves hair flexibility. It also nourishes deep and dry and brittle roots. Let's go back to that beeswax. It actually helps protect your hair and scalp from dryness. It adds structure without stiffness, and it also reduces moisture loss during when you do your protective styles. When it comes down to that mango butter, guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Mango butter actually helps your hair grow because I was using it in some hair butter before, and it definitely does. Shea butter deeply moisturizes and condition your hair and your scalp, and it helps relieve dryness and flaking. It improves the softness and elasticity. It provides long-lasting nourishment. Jojoba oil, it closely mimics the scalp's natural sebum, and it also regulates oil production. It soothes dry, itchy, irritated scalp. Also, it supports healthy hair follicles. Of course, guys, when it comes down to essential oils, I'm using rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree, and they are all really good for your hair. Rosemary supports scalp circulation. It helps strengthen your hair and the root and encourage a healthy scalp environment. Peppermint provides a cooling, refreshing sensation. It helps relieve itch and dryness. It stimulates the scalp and increase circulation. And I've been using tea tree I've been using it faithfully. And tea tree is good for bumps, irritations, shaving when you got like shaving bumps and stuff like that. I put tea tree on pimples. Tea tree is almost like medicine. You can't make medical claims, but I'm going to tell you tea tree is really like medicine, okay? All right, so go ahead and put your beeswax in your heat-proof container. The only thing we're going to be doing in this actual recipe is just putting each ingredient into a heat-proof container, and we're going to be heating it up. This is a very simple, easy recipe. Now, I want to tell you guys some ways that you can improve this recipe. If you want it to be softer, you can lessen the beeswax, okay? So in my first time making it, I used that amount of beeswax that I told you guys to use in the Patreon, because of course the whole recipe is in my Patreon. And it's on the $5 level, okay? You can get this recipe on the $5 level, okay? So don't even play. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box. Join the Patreon, okay? Join. You could do that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put your mango butter in there. So I'm just putting each ingredient I told you about, and I'm going to keep telling you guys let's keep talking about this while we making it, because it's going to be really quick. We'll use vitamin E in it as well, and of course that helps support the scalp health and moisture retention. It helps extend the product's shelf life as well. Y'all, listen, I can't stress the vitamin E thing enough. I remember using vitamin E in some body oil, and my body oil like literally lasts for like 3 years. It's still good to this day, and it's crazy. It did not go rancid. Usually, you know, that stuff starts stinking. It did not. So I can attest to that. So I did use grapeseed oil and jojoba oil, but I end up using a little bit of coconut oil. You can swap some of the oils out and just kind of customize this recipe to your liking, okay? So once you get everything in that heat-proof container, as you guys can see, the beeswax on the bottom, the mango butter, the cocoa butter. I ain't putting no cocoa butter in it. The shea butter, all of these very expensive, listen, carrier oils and butters, because you know you're not going to be able to sell this for cheap, okay? I don't care what Baskin Leather is selling theirs as. Ours is different, okay? We have to sell it for at least, I would say $15 a jar. That's my price, okay? This is really good. This is very good. And that is the minimum, okay? So go ahead and heat it all the way up. And once you finish heating it up, you're just going to go ahead and pour it into your container. I'm using, this is an 8-ounce recipe, so mine's is exact. I mean, literally, it comes to the neck of the jar. Just go ahead and pour it in there and let it solidify. And once it's solidified, you're going to add your... Oh, no, wait, let me slow down. You got to add your essential oils. So go ahead and add your essential oils and your vitamin E and then pour it into your jar. So I'm going to go ahead and add my peppermint. I had to go back and get my rosemary and my tea tree. Once you put your essential oils in, and there's that rosemary right there, let me tell you, it smells so good. I really did not want to use fragrance, and I'm going to go ahead and test this so you guys can see it. I did not want to use fragrance. I wanted it to be as natural as possible. And with us using all essential oils, butters, carrier oils, everything is natural. And so that just, honestly, that raises the price. And as you guys can see, it just dissolves into the skin. You don't have to worry about it being sticky and tacky. So when you put it in your hair, it's going to dissolve straight into your hair as well. So I don't know. This is a really good recipe, y'all. Go ahead, like the video, join the Patreon. I will see you guys again.